Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. And this week we will finish on Friday afternoon with a Gen 3 Prius. This is 2013 model. This one has only 75,000 miles and it's awesome. It looks really clean inside out, and besides some needles all over here which I vacuumed already, and some rat poop as usual in this area which is also gone in the garbage can. It looks incredible. It's super clean inside. The customer, actually, I met her when she owned a high miles 2nd gen and she upgraded to this lovey-dovey thing. But why she came today and why is the vehicle incorrectly parked in the lift? She said the vehicle is excellent, she loves it, but she has a problem with the headlights. She says driving in the night she can barely see anything because they are pointed way too low. She says it's pointed on the road so short ahead of her that she can't really see anything. She's using the brights, she keeps flipping through it and so on. So she asked me for help. And I said, no, I don't want to deal with it, because if you want to do it correctly, you need that special tool which is on little wheels. You wheel it in front of the headlight and start measuring the levels, start adjusting it, and that's the right way to do it. I said, go to the dealer, they probably have that machine. She said, well, I already did, and they want to have like $380 for this simple adjustment. I said, okay, I will try, bring it to my shop, I will try to help you. And that's why the vehicle is backed into the lift, because we will be not lifting it. We will use the fact that it's cloudy day today, it's not much light. That will help us actually. We will put the lights on and see. Now look at that. If you look on the pattern, actually on the right side, we have nice measure because it's matching these boxes. It's right here. But the right side is supposed to be always a little bit higher than the left. There is a little jump in it, but I think the left should be left alone. Yeah, that's funny, huh? And the right needs to go up. So let's try and see if it can be done. And I forgot to mention, before I will start tinkering with it and changing the lights, I of course checked in the interior if she doesn't have a button to raise it up and put it down. This vehicle also could be equipped with automatic leveling system, but that system is for this purpose. If you have a passengers or something heavy in the trunk, the back of the vehicle goes down, then the lights will be too high, so it will point it down automatically. But the automatic leveling system is not designed to automatically scan the road and adjust that beam. So we will try together, help her to raise it, especially always on that right side, which is the passenger side, because that's where that can go higher, because that's where there is a shoulder of the road and you are not blasting oncoming traffic in their eyes. So we definitely can try here. Let's do it. When I heard that price quote from the dealer, I was like, oh God, that will be probably almost impossible to deal with it. Why they want to have so much labor for it? But guess what? I'm trying to find the angle for you and amount of the light. Do you see this thing? That's an adjuster. That little thing, if you have a correct screwdriver, we will be turning. It's on both sides. It's not absolutely buried, it's the opposite. So far, I'm scratching my head why they want to have 380 for adjusting those lights. I even remember when I was doing it in the past, the Phillips screwdriver number 2. Yeah, is it number 2? I think so. Basically the most common size of Phillips screwdriver will be your special tool. So let's go see what will happen. This is very challenging to film, but I hope you are getting the idea. Do you see that Phillips screwdriver nicely coming towards to it? It perfectly fits there. Let me try to zoom on it. This is a pretty problematic position, but if you are patient, you will see the detail. That's all I can do because there's a bunch of stuff in my way. So look, that Phillips screwdriver perfectly fits there, and we'll start turning this wheel. Now we can say clockwise it's up and counterclockwise will be down, but it depends from where you are looking. Right now I'm standing here upside down, so I guess that doesn't matter. Let's go and see together how it will change the light beam. And I'm trying to pick up some good angle for you so you can see the car. You can see the beam of the light. So let's focus on the right hand side. Where are those boxes? And that's the side I actually would like to bring up. Let's see if it's possible. And guess what? I can see it rising. But this is very fine. I turned this wheel already like once around. I think so. I keep looking back on the door and on the wheel. I think the wheel made the whole turn, but I see a difference in the angle. Do you agree? And I think I turn it twice or 3 times together, and I have gained right here this entire area. This beam jumped basically 1 step up. I will say that's a 2.5 inches I raised the beam for her, and that actually might be enough. I worry not about her safety only. Obviously she needs to be able to see perfectly in the night, but I also don't want to raise it too high when all the people driving the other way, they will not see anything. So I'm definitely raising it just a little bit, being on conservative side. This is very short distance. It will make way bigger difference on the longer distance. It's not dark, unfortunately. I cannot go outside and try it immediately. It's only like 4 p.m. so it will be dark in 2 hours. It's winter. But I can see that almost 3 inches on the distance, what it is. 12 feet, that actually will make a huge difference on that side, where is the shoulder of the road on the right side. And it's definitely, if somebody else wants to do this, that's where you start. These lights are incredibly bright. I will shut them off so you can see the difference. Put them on. These are those low beams which we are adjusting, and now I will click it on the high beam. So this is how it works on 2013 Toyota Prius. And I also went outside to recheck, just common sense, if the car is blinding me just standing right here. but I can see it's still below me, and this should be fine. In the worst of the worst, she will come back and I will turn it a little bit more for her if it is not enough. I personally dig this headlight. It's pretty cool. This V or whatever he will call it. Then the lights, then the lights, also the fog lights. It's pretty neat. I will take it without any complaints. Pretty cool car, don't you say? I hope you find this video helpful, and if you like it, please give it a thumb up. Other than that, make sure you are subscribed. I have way more coming your way soon. Thank you for watching today, and have a great weekend, my friend.